Ni hao, Shimen Junior High students. My name is Sheena Marie Ompot from Philippines. Mabuhay! I'm here to share some example for the passages. This is the fourth video for the passages. How do you feel when you stand in front of lots of people and talk about your ideas? There are always times like this, which can make you worried, since you can't run away from anxiety. Why not learn to live with it? As long as you know what anxiety is, the three ideas will help you to go through the difficult time. First, only think about today, meaning not to worry about tomorrow. Second, having the worst case in mind, trying to think what can be done now. Third, too much anxiety doesn't help your health, so stop worrying. With the above ideas, the following 4 steps help to lower your anxiety. You may check your anxiety by collecting the fact, finding out the possible reasons, and making up a new plan. Setting up a stop loss point allows you to understand the worst case and prepare yourself for it. After what can be done is done. Learning to accept the results is the last but the most important step. However, no matter how wonderful plan is, things can go out of hand. Just sit back and accept what happens. Because this is life. Try to name the colors of the things around you when anxiety comes to you again, and hope it works for you. And here are the questions. Question number 1. What is the reading mainly talking about? Letter A. Why people feel worried before test? Letter B. Why collecting the fact is important? Letter C. How to deal with anxiety. Letter D. How to make a new and wonderful plan. I repeat the choices. Letter A. Why people feel worried before test. Letter B. Why collecting the facts is important. Letter C. How to deal with anxiety. Letter D. How to make a new and wonderful plan. Question number 2. According to the reading, which may not be helpful to face anxiety? Letter A. Set up a stop loss point. Letter B. Check what worries you. Letter C. Have you worst case in mind? Letter D. Talk about your worries with many of your friends. I repeat the choices. Letter A. Set up a stop loss point. Letter B. Check what worries you. Letter C. Have the worst case in mind. Letter D. Talk about your worries with many of your friends. Question number 3. Which is true? Letter A. To accept what happened is the last step for facing anxiety. Letter B. Too much anxiety is good for your health. Letter C. Things will never go wrong if your plan is wonderful. Letter D. Naming the colors of things helps you cool down when you feel excited. I repeat the choices. Letter A. To accept what happens in the last step for facing anxiety. Letter B. Too much anxiety is good for your health. Letter C. Things will never go wrong if your plan is wonderful. Letter D. Naming the colors of things helps you cool down when you feel excited.